Welcome to my channel Shanti. Today we are going to see about functions. What is a function? How to create a function by making use of syntax. Okay. So let us see the syntax of creating functions. Return type, function name of parameter list. Return type is nothing but your void or integer or float or string or character, whatever it may be. Function name is option. Function name is created by the user according to your choice. On any name you can give it, but it is starting with lowercase letter, middle uppercase letter, followed by the uppercase letter. Function name. Of means in a open parenthesis and closed parenthesis. Open parenthesis you specify. Open parenthesis you specify parameter list. That is option only parameters. If you give us void, it takes us nothing. If you give us in, if you giving it as int a means it giving us one parameter. Int a comma int b int float a comma whatever it is, user choice only parameter list. So what is the syntax of creating function? Return type, function name of parameter list. Let us see the example of creating function. Int void function name add open parenthesis close parenthesis. That is you are creating without parameter list. When a void function name of means in a open parenthesis close parenthesis semicolon. Semicolon means for function declaration. And flower bracket if you specify inside the flower bracket if you specify means it is called as function definition. Okay. We make use of the definition. What is the function definition? What is the function declaration? Make use of the character. When you put a semicolon to the function means it is called as function declaration. If you remove the semicolon, after remove semicolon, if you specify the closing and opening and closing parenthesis is called as function definition. Flower bracket if you specify for the function means it is called as function definition. So let us see the example. Void add of open parameters inside the flower bracket we can give as printf welcome to C programming. What is void? You need to add two operands means in a c is equal to a plus b means before you have to perform two operations you need to declare the variables. Before performing operation, need to declare the variable, need to initialize the variable, or you can get the variables at the runtime also. You can two options by only initialize the values also you can initialize the values, or you can also specify you can create a value by specifying by making use of scanf function. You can also get the value from that the runtime. Okay, or you can initialize the values. Two options you can having. Okay. Next function name by creating function name with parameter list. Return type function name of parameter list. How you can say give an example. Void add of int a comma int b means an integer a comma int b of closing bracket, opening bracket and closing bracket. Inside the flower bracket if you specify operands, operations or whatever you like it, by the user choice only. How to call the function? By making use of call the function. Let us see how to call the function. Calling the function by making inside the main function only. What is that one? Need to call the function by inside the main function only. Let us call the function. Main function. What is your function name? Add. So int main function of open bracket, open flower bracket. Remember you call add of you have to specify two parameters. You have specified the two parameters, that is you can need to pass the values to the function. So int what you say add of 10 comma 20 you need to specify semicolon. You can to specify by making use semicolon means what happens that the main function, first function when you run this program, what happens the first time it will calls the main function, second it calls the function. So the main function, it comes to the main function, it will call the function call to the function, it moves on to the created function where you create a function, it moves on to the line. Int add of int a comma int b moves on to that line. Next what you print inside that given as it is printed in the screen. Okay, this is how to create a to next class we will see how to create a parameters to the functions without for the integer or float or character and string we will see, and also you can see in the array also. Okay, the next class we can see. Thank you so much. And lastly I will say please subscribe my channel, please click a bell icon. Thank you so much. Thank you.